Hello, Kyle's Garage viewers, and welcome back. Hello, Kyle's Garage viewers, and welcome back to another episode. On this one, we get the focus up and going. And I'm going to start by removing the exhaust. And after the video, I'll meet you back right here to talk about some of the things. So, enjoy the video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you ever
Alright, got the intake back on, and all of the other accessories and vacuum lines and all that hooked back up too. Last thing I gotta do is battery. Well, that'll probably be last actually, but putting some spark plugs in it. Gotta put the new header in and put an oil change in, then we'll finally see if it runs. And I can't just simply put the exhaust back on because remember, we're deleting EGR. And there's that EGR port that we're gonna need to plug, so let me show you what I got to do that. This is the exact threads that it is, and I actually got this off the old exhaust EGR port. It was there. So basically what I did is I crudely made this small hexagon shaped plate, and I'm gonna stick it on there like so and weld it in. Alright, got that little piece welded up. There it is. Shot it with some black spray paint just to keep it from rusting. And yeah, I'll probably just go ahead and slip the header in now and put that EGR plug on later. Okay, I got that exhaust in and it fought me. I had to push and struggle, and I ended up taking out the radiator fan to get it to fit. Well, then I couldn't really get the radiator fan to fit, but I got it all. Look at that pretty new header. Problem is it's right up against the radiator fan, so it'll probably melt it. So I guess that's just gonna self-clearance itself with heat, because I don't know what to do about that right there. But yeah, it does look really good in there. Just got done changing, we're putting new spark plugs in it. I just got to put new oil in it, put a battery in it, and fire it up. So yeah, check the look. Check a look. It's starting to look pretty. Brand new header. Didn't fit the best, but it's in there. All right, got it all together. Battery in, air intake on. Everything's together. Battery's not tight, doesn't matter. I'd be nervous. I'd be lying if I said I was nervous. Not nervous right now because I'm nervous. I had a lot of crap apart. Let's see if it runs. Neighbors ought to like this. It runs. It's loud, but it runs. It's very loud. My neighbors are gonna hate me. It's very, very loud. It's not running very good either. Alright, I feel like I can only get away with this legally once, so I'm only going to hit it one time to the floor. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can only get away with that once. This thing ain't running all the best. Alright, I'm fairly certain that's how you get your car impounded, so I think I'm gonna not push my luck and go back home. Yep, that was burnout. Definitely think I've you know, pushed my luck. Let's get this thing back. Not real fast, but sure is loud. Alright, there you have it. And yeah, I'm pretty sure my neighbors hate me because I caught my next door neighbor staring over here in the garage when I was trying to get the car running well and it was revving it and stuff. So yeah, probably made an enemy. I hope not. My elderly neighbor has a Ford Focus, so maybe he'll see it and be like, oh man, mine can be a race car too. I mean, I doubt it, but whatever. But what I wanted to say is I didn't really show that EGR plug that I welded together very well, so I wanted to show that a little bit closer. And also, this stuff laying right here is all the EGR crap that we deleted, so like that's a lot of junk that's not there anymore. As well as the old exhaust is off, it was rusty and ugly, and now we got the new stuff. But with the new stuff, it didn't quite fit right, and it ended up melting the radiator fan, so I just disconnected that side of the radiator fan. I'm probably going to cut that whole fan out. Leave it in the comments below if you think it's a bad idea. I've never had a problem with the car overheating, so I'm just going to run it with one single fan, and hopefully that works, because the other side just doesn't fit very well with that header. But yeah, you got to see the Focus run, you got to see it drive a little bit. I'm waiting till like all these license branches open back up so I can actually get the car legal, so I can go out on a drive out on public roads and not have fear of my car getting impounded or getting a ticket or, you know, whatever the cops want to do with me at that point for driving around an unregistered vehicle. So anyway, that's where the Focus is at. Glad it's running. Glad you guys tuned in. Hope some of this helps you zetec folks maybe delete your EGR or just, you know, laugh at my stupidity. So anyways, guys, take care. I'll see you next time.